sometimes it feels like no one notices. Like your effort disappears the moment you give it. But I see it. I see you. And you don't have to pretend around me. You don't have to be on right now. I want you just as you are. Tired, quiet, messy, healing. Your strength doesn't need to be loud for it to matter. Just breathing, just being here. That took courage and bravery. You are brave even when no one tells you it to your face. Even when you don't get daily reminders, you are brave. It also takes courage to sit here and let me tell you that. Some people, they just don't want to hear it because they don't believe it. But you, being here now, listening to me tell you that means something. And that's okay. You know, sometimes I watch you when you're focused, or when you're hurting. I get this overwhelming wave of love. Because even when you're not okay, you still keep going. Even when you feel invisible, you are still giving, still loving, still showing up. I know it feels like you have to carry everything by yourself. That if you don't do it, no one else will. But baby, you are allowed to let go. You're allowed to not have everything figured out. You're allowed to let the world take care of itself. You're allowed to sometimes let yourself fall apart and not feel ashamed. You do not have to prove your worth to anyone, let alone me. You are already enough, not because of what you do, but because of who you are. Soft, sensitive and real. You are not invisible, not to me. I see every moment, every tiny, tiny detail. And the way you fight through the fear, the way you keep showing up even when you don't think you can. You're like a light that doesn't even realize it's glowing. It's actually kind of infuriating seeing your greatness, seeing how you inspire so many others, and yet you can't find it in yourself to use it for your own good, to embrace it and just accept it as who you are. Amazing and talented and kind. You are whole. You are not broken. You are not falling behind. You will not be replaced. No one can be you, and that is a gift. I know. I know you've been through so much. I know there are things that you don't even have the words for. But you don't have to explain.